Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Varsami and I'm a Shamanic Astrologer. Today I will be sharing with you astrological information about the upcoming new moon in Sagittarius that is happening on the 1st of December. So every time we have a new moon is a beginning of a new cycle, a new experience for the whole month ahead. This new moon, as I put in the title, Pause and Reflect, brings has a lot of retrograde energy and also has this energy of reflection, of introspection, of withdrawing, of having this energy to look in within us. So this new moon happens together straight after a few days after Mercury is gone retrograde, and also Mercury is retrograde in Sagittarius. So we have the sun, the moon, because the sun and the moon are always together on the new moon, and Mercury in Sagittarius. And stay for this video because I will analyze everything for you with details. So before I continue, if you are not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can support my work and I can continue making these videos for you guys. I also want to let you know about an amazing product I have been using now for the last month. It's called the Magic Mind. It looks like that. And this is actually the last time I will be sharing with you about this product. So this is the last opportunity for you also to check it out. So the Magic Mind is a product that has helps you a lot with your brain. It has like different substances inside. My favorite one is the mushroom that has inside. That really helps the brain for focus. So this product helps you to pretty much have less stress, have more higher energy and have more focus. So I've been using it now for a month. So in the previous videos, I shared how it helped me with my creativity. The first week I was using it. The second time, after 2 weeks of using it, I shared with you how it helped me with my daily practices. Now it's been a month. I feel it really helped me a lot with my thoughts, with my busy mind and all these lists I have every day to do things. So it helped me a lot with my grounding, especially in the morning, because I take it every morning when I wake up. It's the first thing I do before I meditate. I have this is like a shot. So you take like one every day of this. And yeah, it really helped me to put me in this place of like grounding and also like being more present and not be so much in my thoughts. And to be honest with you, the most amazing thing was the creative part for me that brought up. So because my mind was less active, I found out that I would be much more active during the day. I'm already very active, but even more than this and more creative. So that was an amazing thing. And I tried so many different things before, or sort of like supplements and stuff, but that was really different effect with me. So if you want to take it out, this is your last chance to take it out. So there is a special promo, Black Friday promotion. So you get 50% off of the normal price if you buy the product until the 6th of December. So to get the product, you have to go to www.magicmind.com/cosmic guidance BF, like for Black Friday, the initials of Black Friday. And I will put the link down in the description, so you just click the link and we'll take you directly there. So yeah, 50% off. This is a big discount, so check it out. And yeah, highly recommend. Now let's go in with our things now. And first of all, I want to talk about Mercury retrograde. Every time we have Mercury retrograde in general, is a time where we have this opportunity to access to our subconscious mind, right? To see what is there. Also, our dreams become more vivid, more, I would say, more multidimensional, whereas Mercury retrograde. And there is nothing really to fear about Mercury retrograde. I know there is a lot of rumors about Mercury retrograde, but in general, it's a very good period in general to see how are we thinking and connect with our subconscious. This particular Mercury retrograde, I really like it because it's in Sagittarius. And also it happens the retrograde starts on the 26th of November, just a few days before the new moon, and it's going to end on the 15th of December. So this new moon also brings this energy to us, and is all about seeing a higher perspective. So even if it's a Mercury retrograde, you will find yourself finding a lot of aha moments and a lot of clarity and this is because of Sagittarius gives us this higher vision. Sagittarius energy is like an eagle that sees from above, and also is very much connected with the archetype of the visionary in Shamanic astrology. So also connects with our personal vision we have for our life and also then for the world. Sagittarius also connects a lot with, is a very positive energy, connects also with, is optimistic energy, is expansive energy, is ruled by Jupiter, and is also connecting with wisdom, with higher wisdom, with our higher self, and also adventure, traveling, all these things. So having a new moon starting this retrograde energy, starting with this retrograde energy also, the whole month of December is going to be about reflection. And to be honest with you, the upcoming 3 months are going to be about reflection. And I'm going to explain to you why. But I feel December is going to be the strongest month because of Mercury retrograde in Sagittarius and because of this new moon emphasizing and initiating this energy. So first of all, as I said, we have Mercury retrograde until the 15th of December, and then on the 6th of December, just a few days after the new moon, we have Mars going in retrograde. So this is very important because Mars goes in retrograde every 2 years, and Mars is a planet of action. So on the planet of action and manifestation goes retrograde, this is definitely a time of not taking action, but it's a time of reflecting on our actions. And at the same time, we have actually, under this new moon, we have already now, we have 4 planets in retrograde. So we have Mercury retrograde, Jupiter retrograde, which is the ruler of this new moon. So also emphasize this retrograde energy, Uranus and Neptune. So we already have 4 planets in retrograde, plus Mars is going to go into retrograde from the 6th of December, straight after the new moon, a few days after the new moon. So you understand. And what I wrote here when I was preparing this video is like, this is not a time for doing impulsive actions. Definitely, this is a time to really reflect. So wherever you are in your life now, and you want to do this kind of new action, new thing, and I'm always talking about initiating completely new things, not stopping your work, not stopping your relationship or something like that. It's more like initiating completely new things. It's a time to really step back and pause. And the upcoming 3 months is going to be all about that. Reflecting the way that we think, which is the most important thing, starting with this energy, because whatever we think, whatever we manifest, and then with Mars later on, after this new moon retrograde, reflecting on our actions. And a good question to ask is, how did I end up here, right? Like these 3 months, the upcoming 3 months until the end of February, we will be asking ourselves this question: how did we end up here? What kind of thought patterns brought us here? What kind of action brought us here? At the same time, of course, always being grateful, honor our path, but also having this higher vision with Sagittarius, all this Sagittarian energy and all this expansion we have here with this new moon, like what brought us here. So it's really powerful time because of this. So a time to withdraw, to step time with ourselves. Also recently we had Pluto moving into Aquarius. I don't know how you guys felt about this transit, important transit. So officially now, under this new moon, we have the first new moon also with Pluto being in Aquarius. And that's very interesting because it's also like we're going forward with Pluto in Aquarius, and all these retrograde, and it's like, wait, just take a pause first before you move forward. And it's going to be for the upcoming 20 years, Pluto in Aquarius, until 2043. So again, this also is a kind of an initiation now with this energy. But it might feel like a closure, even if it's an initiation, because of this retrograde energy. There are some things we have to close, some things we have to reflect. We have to understand why we're here, why our life is like that. We have to understand all this behind it. Now, let's analyze a little bit about the aspects of this new moon. As I already said, the ruler is Jupiter of Sagittarius, which is the planet of expansion, of abundance, is in retrograde. So also Jupiter is doing an opposition with the moon. So they're opposite, there's opposite on the chart with the moon. So this is a lot about understanding how we are blocking our expansion and how we are blocking our abundance. And this is very deep to say that. And when I speak about expansion, it's more about being our full true self, our being on the most shining light we can be. So this is also something like a theme that comes up. Now, the moon also is squaring Saturn. That is a lot there to see about our limitations, our restrictions, how we are blocking ourselves, how we are actually blocking this expansion, what karmic patterns are there. The moon also is trining Mars, the planet of action. This is a harmonious aspect. So also, this is kind of like moving forward to a new thoughts, to new patterns. We're actually getting an upgrade right now. We're going on an upgrade on the way that we think. And the moon also is trining another positive aspect, the North Node. So it's a lot of kind of karmic destiny alignment happening also with this new moon. And we have been also initiating this alignment because the North Node has been in Aries now for the last year and a couple of months. So also this is the first sign of the zodiac. So we're already starting a new cycle when it comes to the destiny. So also this new moon doing this trine with the North Node is a lot about this, like aligning with our true purpose, with what we really want to do. So this is like, it's bringing like a very new perspective. So it's a lot of retrograde energy. So as I said, you have to stop, withdraw, pause, but at the same time you have this aha moment. It gives you clarity. It gives you this new perspective, a new way of thinking is already here. Is already here with this new moon and this higher vision. So what I also wrote here when I was preparing the video was like wisdom that comes through reflection. So it's like if we keep going and we don't reflect on us, on our life, on our actions, on our thoughts, we cannot go far. But when we start understanding this, that gives so much wisdom, and also that helps us to have this like aha moment. Now I understand. So also moving forward, and maybe we have to redesign some parts of our life, and this reflection gives us this opportunity. So yeah, this is the big message I have for you pretty much, is no impulsive actions right now. Pause, reflect, take as much time as you can to really see what brought you to where you are right now. Also, don't forget always to be grateful for where you are, and also honoring the whole journey of your soul, of our soul, to be here. But this is a very strong time of introspection. And also I was working with the retrogrades. So we have also Venus going in retrograde 2025. So Venus also is going to go retrograde straight after Mars is going to move direct. So Mars is moving retrograde the 6th of December. Is going to be until the 24th of February. That's why I said it's 3 months now of very strong retrograde energy. And this is happening only once every 2 years. So it's important. And then straight after the 2nd of March, we have Venus retrograde until the 13th of April. So it's a lot of this retrograde energy, and it's going to be for a while. I would say after the middle of April, we're going to start feeling like more able to tap into this new energy that also Pluto in Aquarius brought with this very important transit, right? That happened on the 19th of November, and it's going to be this energy with us until 2043. So yeah, pause and reflect, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, I forgot to say in the beginning, I prepared an online workshop. It's called Track Your Moon Cycle. So if you want to know exactly how every new moon or full moon affecting your birth chart, what does it mean for you and your life, you can check out my workshop. You can learn everything and how to work with your personal birth chart and track your moon cycles. So thanks so much for watching. I wish you all the best. You will find all the links down in the description, and bye for now.